So you guys can see we have Johnson's BMW 2024 G87 M2. It's a black sapphire metallic and it's pretty loud. All right, let's go hear it out. Johnson currently has our PLM full titanium catback exhaust with our really nice tips, man. And this is also a stock downpipes, right? Okay, stock
except the exhaust system.
Okay, right on, guys. Okay, so that's Johnson. What's up, Johnson? And he drives this G87 M2. And let me show you guys how the tips look like. Ooh, yes. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, this one looks pretty good with the black one, all right? Okay, let's hear this out. Whenever you're ready, man. Whenever you're ready. So that was cold start, valves closed. Turn it on. All right, so this is valves open, you guys. Let's hear it. All right, so it definitely died down, but valves are open now. Again, we have the 2024 BMW G87 M2 full titanium catback exhaust. This is gonna be fun. Let's hear it. Rev it. Gosh, dang, that's hella loud. All right, we're gonna move the car right now. If you guys didn't know, that is my F82 M4. That is Black Soul M4. All right, so we have Johnson's G87 M2. We're gonna have him park right here. And the whole time, you guys, he is stock downpipes and valves are open. Rev it. That's valves closed. That's valves closed. Now valves open. This car is hella loud, you guys. And the fact that BMW actually did a pretty great job on this thing. And that is one of our shop cars. I've been driving that G80 M3 competition. That one's gonna be way louder and also way faster too, you guys. All right, he's gonna do a little bit of a like a pull here. Make sure to slow down.
Do I go?
Yep. Oh, whoa. You guys heard that. Now make sure to grab PLM's full titanium catback exhaust for the G87 M2. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more dope PLM builds.